we are approaching a tree to animate a scientifically accurate leaf. Artists studied the texture of a redwood leaf, especially on a glass slide at high resolution. They even counted the stomata and used that exact count for this film. These leaves would be measured on a centimeter scale throughout the animation. We will gradually zoom into a smaller scale as we approach a single stoma. We are now on millimeter scale. As we enter the interior of the leaf, we see many individual palisade cells. These cells are where photosynthesis takes place. They are translucent, allow sunlight to enter. As we approach a single palisade cell, we will zoom down to the micrometer scale. The shape inside the cells are organelles. The bright globules at the bottom are the Golgi apparatus. The yellow spotted tubes are endoplasmic reticulum studded with ribosomes. That large blue membrane surrounds the nucleus. The purple blobs are mitochondria. The faint yellow spider web-like structure of the cytoskeleton provides structure and support to the cell. You are about to enter a chloroplast. Inside you see flat pancake-like membranous structure called thylakoid. This is where the light-dependent reaction of photosynthesis takes place to produce ATP. The cell's energy carriers molecule weigh. The time scale has changed. The molecules are showing moving 1 million times slower than in real life. As we near an individual thylakoid, the animation scale continues to shrink down to the molecular level, where things are measured in nanometers. The green and blue bush-like structure are photosynthesis stems, clusters of protein that absorb light energy from the sun and help convert it into chemical energy that's stored in the bonds of the energy carrier molecule called ATP. The yellow-green rotating structure is an enzyme called ATP synthase. This molecule machine facilitates the flow of protons down their concentration gradient from one side of the thylakoid membrane to other, using the energy released in the process of assembled ATP. The pulses of light in the thylakoid membrane, in which the photosystems are embedded, represent energized electrons being passed from one photosystem to another, passing along the energy which will be stored in the bonds of ATP. The classic bucket brigade. The small wigglies are ATP molecules. Living things store energy in the bond of the ATP molecule and then use that energy to conduct all the process of life. Thank you.